Looking back on the semester, I think that there's a lot that I learned in ATTR 225. The first thing that comes to mind when thinking about what I learned is the different parts of words and how to put them together. Each chapter included a list of combining forms, prefixes, and suffixes that were used to create terms. Knowing the word parts was important for everything else that we did in this class. For the practice exercises, many of the questions focused on defining the different word parts or forming words when given the definition. These types of questions were also on the quizzes. For the learning activities, multiple of them focused solely on finding medical terms and breaking them up into their component parts. I think that I did well in being able to find the meaning of the word by breaking it up, but I do think that I could improve on being more confident in knowing the combining forms. In the future, I need to work on not procrastinating my work so much as well. I always get the work done, but sometimes I cut it a little close, so I want to focus on getting my work done ahead of time and scheduling out more instead of just doing it all right before it's due. And then this coursework would be useful in the rest of my college career as well as in my future career as an occupational therapist. Many of my classes use medical terminology and will continue to use medical terminology as I go throughout the rest of my 2.5 years of undergrad and then grad school after that. So knowing the terms now is really important as I progress through the rest of my schooling because I don't want to get behind. And then it's also important in my future career as an OT because I'll need to know medical terminology in order to write patient reports and also fully understand patient cases. So overall, I think this class has been really beneficial for me and will continue to be beneficial for me as I move on in the rest of my college career, as long as I continue to study and keep up with the different medical